Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about this internet problem guys. How can we fix in Oppo phone device? Friends, we want to fix guys your internet problem in your Oppo phone device. So how can we fix today friends? I will show you. So open your phone setting to fix guys your internet problem. After that guys, on guys your phone system setting guys. So guys we will on guys phone system setting guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see guys your last backup and reset guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see reset phone setting guys. Tap here. Friends, reset network setting guys. Tap here to reset it. Then guys your internet problem will fix after 4 and 5 seconds. Then guys you can use catch your phone internet problem without any problem. So like that guy we can fix guys our internet problem in our Oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope fans you understood how to fix internet problem in Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Friends, you want more information about guys your internet problem, you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.